Hi, I'm Nikki, and today's tip is about using keyboard shortcuts in PowerPoint. The first one I don't think you'll guess, but it's probably the thing you do most often in PowerPoint, and that's creating a new slide. Now you might think it's Control N, but that would create a new presentation. If you want just a slide, you have to go for the next key along, Control M. Your new slide will go after the one that you've selected. The rest of our shortcuts today are about delivering your presentation. To run a presentation in slideshow view, press F5. Don't forget those function keys are right at the top of your keyboard, so F5 to run your presentation. This option always takes you to the beginning, to the first slide. But let's suppose you wanted to run the slideshow from the slide you're looking at currently. In that case, you can press Shift F5. So F5 to run it from the start, or Shift F5 from the slide you're on. When you're delivering a presentation, there may be times you want to answer questions or have a discussion without showing any slides. Turning off and on your projector is a no-no because it takes way too long and there's always that fear about whether it will come back properly. Instead, to get a black screen, you can just press the letter B. Or if you want a white screen, can you guess? That's right, it's W. Both of these are turned off and on with the same key. So, a quick recap. Control and M to create a new slide. F5 for slideshow. Shift F5 for slideshow from the current slide. In a presentation, B will give you a black screen and W a white screen. I really hope you find those useful. For more ways to improve your productivity at work, go to happy.co.uk.